Porto de Galinhas, located in Brazil, is a breathtaking destination known for its stunning landscape and vibrant tourism scene. This coastal town attracts visitors from all over the world with its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and diverse marine life. Thanks to the advancements in technology, drone footage has provided an incredible perspective of Porto de Galinhas. From above, you can capture the beauty of the coastline with its golden sand beaches and turquoise waters. The aerial view showcases the natural wonders of this destination, including coral reefs and natural pools that attract visitors from around the world. The natural beauty of Porto de Galinhas is unmatched. With its crystal clear turquoise waters, white sandy beaches, and lush green surroundings, it's no wonder why this destination is often referred to as a tropical paradise. The landscape of Porto de Galinhas showcases the best that nature has to offer. In conclusion, Porto de Galinhas offers an enchanting travel experience with its stunning landscape, thriving tourism industry, and warm Brazilian hospitality. Whether you're seeking relaxation on pristine beaches or thrilling adventures in the water, this destination is sure to leave you with unforgettable memories of your visit.